We're here. What up, y'all? It's your girl Gabstrrr. I am back with another freaking video, back with another banger, and it's Vlogmas. I'm super excited for what I have in store for y'all. We off to a rough start. I missed day 1 and day 2, but it's currently Vlogmas day 3, December 3rd, and we're picking up the ball rolling. I'm gonna make up for the 2 days that I missed, but we here now, we vibing, and it's lit. So today I have, drumroll please, exotic snacks. They're called Turkish munchies. Well, I found them on Amazon. They'll be linked in my storefront down below. I think this is a holiday box. That's what I was going for, but it got Christmas lights and candy canes and stuff on it, so I think it is like holiday snacks. I'm gonna go ahead and bust it open, and we're gonna try them and see what they taste like. I'm gonna let you know the real. Y'all know I put y'all up on game all the time, so dang, it's kind of hard to open. So technically this is Vlogmas day 2 video, but for day 3 I'm just doing a day in the life. So okay, so it comes with this little trifold pamphlet, I guess. Oh, okay. All right, so it shows everything that is in here and the nutrition facts. So how many items do we have? We got 20 snacks to try, and yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know what they taste like, if I'm rocking with it and if I'm not. This is the box with all the snacks. It's real cute. So okay, this looks like, it's just a peanut milk chocolate wafer snack. It looks like peanuts on the outside. We got these. These look like chips. I don't know what flavor. It says crispy with a K. That you did. Taco crackers. We got, this is another wafer. It says milk cream, so I'm guessing that's vanilla. We got these olive biscuit chips. These look like, I don't know. I'm not gonna go through everything before I taste it. This looks like a chocolate cream, like Nutella in a tube. These look like Hello Pandas, little chocolatey, but they got Cupid and stuff on it. I don't know what that's about. Okay, this says cat tat. It's a hazelnut chocolate snack. Okay, so it's gonna taste like Nutella. Nuts party. Ooh, we got spicy nuts. Okay, I think I might like that because I like stuff like that. Another hazelnut chocolate bar. Another hazelnut wafer bar. This is a carrot cake loaf. Not looking forward to that in all honesty. I'm not a fan of carrot cake, so. Okay, this is a cocoa sauce cake, so it has like some kind of chocolate filling in the middle. Alright. Caramel waffle biscuit. Balik crackers. These look like goldfish, except they're not cheesy, I guess. Susa, I don't know how to pronounce this, but as you can hear, it's noisy. It looks like sesame seeds on a pretzel stick. Ooh, banana wafer. That sounds interesting. Alright, enough with the wrapping. Oh, I would have thought they had some filling. It's just potato, it's long. It's just potato sticks with probably flavoring on them. I don't think I like it. It has a cheesy flavor, but something about it. It has an aftertaste. I can't really describe it, but okay. I got the cat tap. The cat tap. I give them other sticks on a scale of 1 out of 10. I give them a 6. Okay, so I got a piece of it. So a big mess maker. I didn't taste no chocolate. I barely tasted chocolate. I'm gonna get it at a 6 too. Okay, now we're gonna try the chocolate sauce cake. I'm gonna just take a piece. This is good and the flavor is rich. But it's very dense. But it's good. I'll get at a 8.5 out of 10. It was good, it was good, it was good. Okay, now we're gonna try these taco chips. This is what they look like. They're alright. They kind of remind me of salsa, the salsa tostinos, nacho chips, whatever. That's what that kind of tastes like to me, in my opinion. I give that an 8 out of 10. On the real. We're gonna try this caramel waffle. Okay, it's real flat. It just got a thin layer of caramel in the middle. That might be the best thing so far. It's good. It's real good. That's definitely a 9 out of 10. I'm gonna try the peanut, the chocolate peanut wafer. Bidolu. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. It's kind of thick. Thick. It's giving toned down Reese's with wafer. I'm not a huge fan of Reese's or Snickers, but this is alright. I give it a 7.5. We're gonna try the sesame seed sticks next. See what they hitting on. They just look like regular pretzels. It tastes just like a pretzel. Basic. We got so many left. This is another wafer. I was finessed. You know, the little wafers in the round tin and or cylindrical tin that had the filling in the middle. That's what this is giving. And that's exactly what it tastes like. It's called crepe. It just tastes like a vanilla wafer. That's it, that's all. I get out a 7. This is the pizza cracker. These don't really taste like much. They just have a light herby kind of aftertaste. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Okay, so let's try our banana wafer now. It smells like banana. It smells like a banana Laffy Taffy, in all honesty. That's good. If you like the flavor of banana, that is good. I like banana moon pies, so this is good to me. We gonna try the nut with 2 Z's. Nut. It looks like it's like chili pepper, like supposed to be hot. Mmm. As you can see, I'm still eating it. That gets a 10 in my book. Now that is something special right there. I like that. Okay, so let's try these Cocoa Prints. This just looks like a chocolate sandwich biscuit. It has this aftertaste. You know, it's alright, but it has this aftertaste that I don't like. I'm gonna get out of 5. It's okay, but I wouldn't eat it again. So we're gonna try these YALL crackers next. Let me tell you something. These just look like regular old soup crackers. And that's exactly what they are. Plain biscuits. These would go well with some soup though. I actually give this a 9. And here's why. Because even though the flavor isn't all that, based on what it looks like, what it's supposed to be, a soup cracker, it does that very well. And they took it up a notch and they made it look like fish. So imagine you're using them as soup crackers and they look like little goldfish. That's just perfect marketing. That's so adorable. So I'm gonna give it a 9. I'm gonna try the vanilla wafers next. This is called Today Milk Cream Wafer. Ten out of 10. It's freaking good, okay? I'm gonna try the caramel cake next. I think my voice is changing, y'all, because it's been cracking a lot lately. Like a lot. And it kind of looked like cornbread, which makes me happy because I like cornbread. It just tastes like it just tastes like a regular slice of yellow cake. Like, I do not want to try this carrot cake, y'all. I don't. But we're gonna try that next to get it out the way. Even though I put it off till like the very end. I just don't want it to be the last thing I taste. And it looked like it got carrot bits in it. It's called Danke Hoti. Oh, I can't. They got big behind chunks of carrot cake in there. Of carrots. No. 0 out of 10. I don't like it. And that's just all I'm going to say about that. I'm going to try these Biscolata Mood. Oh, okay. They look like Hello Pandas. They smell like Hello Pandas. So they have the little pictures on the outside. And it tastes just like them. We know this is good. I give that a 9 out of 10. These wafers look ashy. It's good. Again, just tastes like a regular chocolate hazelnut wafer. So I give it an 8. Even though the wafer looked ashy, it kind of had a better flavor than the other chocolate wafers I tried. Now we're going to go in with these Grita. Looks like olive oil biscuits. Has some kind of seasoning on it though. Okay, these are soup crackers. Okay. Oh. Okay, so those have basically no salt, but an olive oil flavor that is so potent. I'm not a huge fan. 3 out of 10. I'm gonna leave it at that. Oh, I can still taste it. We gotta move on. It's the Osmo cream, chocolate cream, whatever. So, okay, so I could probably use this for a prank. One more for good measure. I'm trying to remember what it tastes like, because it tastes like something. I can't remember what it tastes like right now, but it tastes like something that I've had before. It's good though. I give it an 8.5 out of 10. Yeah, y'all. But y'all know the vibes. Thank y'all for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and tell a friend and tell a friend and tell another friend. Then we're gonna be cool. We ain't gonna have no beef, and I'll rock with you. But before I go, I want to let y'all know what my top 3 snacks were out of everything that we've tried, or that I tried today. My favorite would have to be, of course, the nuts party. Then I would have to give it to, the caramel waffle. This right here. The vanilla wafer. That one was good too. And so is the banana. Thank y'all for tuning in. Okay, let me stop eating. Alright, so Vlogmas day 3 is in the works. This is day 2, trying exotic snacks. It's arriving a little late, but it's okay. We keeping it pushing. If you want to try these snacks, I think you should. Everything's going to be linked below for you via my storefront. And yeah, I love y'all to the moon, to the max, and back. It's your girl, JBST Triple R, and we